So this is the Hotel Indigo in the Cayman Islands on Grand Cayman, and we stayed here last year and we got a Ocean View Premium Suite, I think, and it was very, very nice. But we were lucky enough to get upgraded to a family suite this time, which is just really nice to have that extra space. Well, let's start here. Here we have the teenager that needs the extra space. I guess this is the second bathroom for the kids. They've got their own bathroom, they've got their own toilet, they've got their own sink. They don't need to be up in my space. And then this is their bed area. Beautiful, wonderful. Plenty of space here. We've got our crap, but also a coffee maker. There is a mini bar that is not complimentary. I think there's a microwave. More mini bars though. They do have complimentary water that you can fill up. And then over here we have a huge, well, it's huge for us, living area. This is a pull-out couch, so you can have someone else sleep here if you want to. They have their own TV in here. Not sure what's in here, just more storage. And then they have an exit onto the balcony, which I guess we can go out our side since that's locked. And then we'll come into our room. This is the main bedroom, the primary room, king size bed, and plenty of storage, a little seat, again, plenty of storage, a huge closet, a safe, robes, one of them was stolen by Caleb, and we have our own bathroom, big walk-in shower, toilet has its own room. I mean, you want me to open it? Water. And then the balcony, I'm gonna take a step out there. Nice view of the water and the pool. And I've seen this room online, retail from anything from what, 900, I think, low season to, I think I saw 1700 high season, and we got this on points, paid for a regular room, used a suite upgrade award that Josh had, and then we got a complimentary upgrade, which is of course not guaranteed, but man, am I happy to have it.
Bed check.
Okay, take these off. Okay. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yes. It's big, it's nice. It's not a queen size, which is what we were expecting. Maggie wants to do a bed check.
I'm not doing all this investment, boy. Okay, right. Very, like, croissant-y shaped pillow. Super
Oh, I was thinking Little Mermaid.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, down here. So, the pillow is very fluffy.
Uh-huh.
The blankets are tucked in very... Honestly, I could literally go to sleep right now. 5 stars to this bed. 5 stars.